Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to upload on TikTok. It's very easy and simple. All you have to do is to follow my steps, and before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications. Now first thing you should do is to simply open your TikTok application on your phone, and now in order to upload anything or any video that you want to upload, you can simply click on this plus sign right here on the middle of the bottom side right here, and here it will show you this screen right here. And now you have two options. If you want to record a video of yourself or a video of something that is behind my camera, you can simply hold on this button right here, and you can also click on, you can scroll a little bit to this side if you want to zoom in, or you can simply scroll down in order to do like zoom out. So this is how you can actually do a specific video, the first way. And now let's see the second way. The second way is to simply choose from your gallery, and to do so you can simply choose this option right here and choose whatever video that you want. But just let me get back and see you another thing that I want to show you. Here you have these options. You have the 10-minute, you have the 60 seconds, you have the 15 seconds, and you have also photo and text. So you have many options to upload a specific thing on TikTok. So after you choose whatever thing that you want, you can simply start recording, and after that do some modifications to the video and upload it simply. And this is actually the important point why I made this tutorial, because when uploading a video on TikTok, you have some edits or some modifications that you can do. And now let's get into these modifications. So now I'm gonna choose one of the videos that I have on my phone. So I'm gonna choose this one here, for example. Then after that you can simply click on next. After clicking on next, you can simply now find a lot of options on the right side. So you can simply click on share if you want to share it to a specific one that you want. You can also click on your story if you want to set it as a story of yours. You have also here this icon right here, this gear icon. You can tap on it and it will jump you directly to settings. You can set who can view this post, so you can choose everyone, friends, or only you. You can also allow or prevent any comments that you want, so you can do some modifications from this page. And also you have here the trim option. Just click on this icon, and now by this way you can do some edits to your video. You can actually trim it like this. As you can see, I'm decreasing the size or the duration of the video. And you can also click on the speed if you want to change the speed of the video. You can go back and crop a specific point from your videos. So let me crop this side right here from the video. You can also change the aspect ratio, as you can see, and after you finish you can simply click on save and all the changes will be saved. So I'm gonna go back again, and here let's click on volume. You can also decrease or increase the volume as you want. You can add some filters. Here we have some choices. You have the landscape. You can also do some modifications for every filter that you have added. And now if you want to cancel, you can simply click on this icon right here and go back. And here you have also the keyframe, which you can actually add in order to do like zoom in or some movements or any animations in the video, but I'm not going deeply into it. So you can also rotate the video by clicking on this icon if you want. You have some adjustments right here. You can change the saturation, brightness, as you can see, contrast. You have also the saturation, sharpness, and so on. And if you want actually to get back, you can simply click on reset right here, and it will reset all the changes. So here there are a lot of options that you can actually discover by yourself. And when I go back, here you have also some other options like text option. You can add a text if you want. So let me here type cats, for example, and here you have some modifications. So now if you want to move it, you can simply tap on it like this and drag it wherever you want. You can also edit the text. You can choose from whatever font type you want. You can also change its color like this. You can also do some changes automatically by using this option right here if you want to change its place. And you can also increase its size by using 2 of your fingers. You can do some rotations by also using 2 of your fingers. So it's actually very nice. You can also click on edit and increase the size from this slide right here. And you can also copy it or use text to speak. And when I go back to text, here you have another option which is called captions. You can add some captions to your video. If you are talking in the video in a specific language, it will do some analyzing to your language. Then it will show you the captions of what you are saying actually. This is actually what you can do using these options. And now after you finish modifications, you can simply click on next. And after that, here you have some uploading options. You can simply click on share to in order to share it to any platform that you want. And here you have the description also. You can also click on edit cover right here and choose whatever frame that you want from the video. So I'm going to choose this frame here, for example, and you can also add a specific title for your video by clicking on one of these things right here and add the title that you want. Then after that, you can simply click on save, and here you can also add some hashtags, mentions, and so on. You can also add a link if you want to add a link of live events or tickets for something in your video. And you can click on more options if you want to get to more privacy settings, if you want to allow comments, allow duet, allow stitch, and so on. And here you will find many other options in the advanced settings. And after that, you can simply click on post, and that is it. This is how you can actually upload something or any video on TikTok. It's very easy and simple, as you can see. And now here on the top left corner, you can see it uploading. It's loading right now. It's about 75% right now. And that's all, guys. I hope this video is useful to you all, and see you guys in a new video.